no chance to say goodbye. And I know I must have been dreaming when I saw a man in white. Oh, he pulled me from those trenches, saying, son, you'll be alright. But don't forget my children, we won't be coming home. Oh, put them in good company so they'll never be alone. In Flanders fields, in Flanders fields, like a whisper on the wind, a star in the sky. I can almost hear him laughing, I can almost see him cry. I can feel the cold embrace of death upon these marble stones, but I know they're standing with me as I'm standing here alone. I see a scared young soldier as he makes his final stand, as he makes his final resting place in unforgettable